welcome to yet another beautiful episode OET letter writing. Myself Sarah, I'm one of the OET aspirants from EduSkills family, and I would like to share with you some learning experience. So let's begin. Before that, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Father and other members in the EduSkills platform. So once again, thank you so much. And one more thing, please like, share, subscribe our channel. So definitely you will get the notification. So let's begin. In this session, I would like to share with you some connectors that we can mainly use in OET letter writing. As we all know, we do use many connectors in our daily life in different situations and different scenarios. But we are not supposed to use all those connectors in OET letter writing. So let me introduce some of them. And I would like to categorize into three groups. I would like to classify into three groups. The first group contains also and as well as in addition and apart from this. And the second group, that is contrast conductors, that consist of however, but, although, and even though. And the third group, that consists of as a result, therefore, and consequently. So let me move to the first group, like and, also, as well as, in addition and apart from this. These all have the same meaning. So let me introduce some examples for more clarity. Okay, so we'll move. As I told you, we are not supposed to use some kind of connectors like furthermore, moreover, hence, meanwhile, so we should try to avoid all those connectors. Okay, so we start with and. Let me tell you some example for more clarity. Okay, she prefers apple juice and she prefers orange juice. How we will write with a connector and? She prefers apple and orange juice. Okay, and there is one more example. She is a widow. She lives alone. How we can write it? She is a widow and lives alone. Okay. Next sentence. We'll go to as well as. How we can write as well as? I will tell you. Let me tell you one example. She suffers from edema and she is complains of bladder incontinence. How we will write? She suffers from edema as well as bladder incontinence. Okay. Then, in addition, how we can write in addition? Let me tell you one sentence. She was prescribed of anti-inflammatory drugs, or she was on metformin. Physiotherapy has been initiated to improve her mobility. How we can write it? She was prescribed on metformin. In addition, physiotherapy has been initiated to improve her mobility. You got me? And there is another example. Let me go to apart from this. How we can write? There is another example. She appeared very anxious and was having trouble in sleeping. And she complained severe edema in her legs. How we can combine these two sentences with apart from this? She appeared very anxious and was having trouble in sleeping, full stop. Apart from this, comma, she complained of severe edema on her both legs. I think it's clear. So let me introduce some contrast connectors. What does that mean, contrast connectors? To show some contrast between two ideas. There are a positive idea and a negative idea. So we are joining with a contrast connector. Okay. Let me tell you, we are using but, however, although, and even though mainly in OET letter writing. So let me tell you some example that will be more clarity for you. She doesn't smoke and she consumes alcohol. How we can write it? She doesn't smoke but she consumes alcohol. Two independent clause, we are joining with a contrast connector, negative and positive. So there is one more example like doctor advised for a surgery, but she preferred non-surgical treatment. It's like a positive and negative, but two independent clause, and we are connecting with a contrast connector. Did you get me? And another example for however, she maintains a good oral hygiene, however, her gums are inflamed. Again, two independent clause, and we are connecting by a contrast connector, however. She maintains a good oral hygiene, however, her gums are inflamed. Okay, and the example for although or even though, we are using always the front of the sentence. Although he made good progress in his condition, he appeared restless and worried. Although he made good progress in his condition, he appeared worried and restless. Okay, these also like two independent clauses. We are connecting with the although, and definitely we use comma like after the first independent clause. Hope it's clear. So let's move to the third group. Third group consists of therefore, consequently, and as a result. So let me give you some examples for therefore. She was underweight. The second sentence is she has to do some regular exercise. How we can write? She was overweight, therefore she was advised to do some regular exercise. Always remember, we put a semicolon before therefore and put a comma after therefore. So how we can write? She was overweight, semicolon, therefore, comma, she was advised to do some regular exercise. You got it? She was overweight, therefore, she was advised to do some regular exercise. Okay? Now the second one, as a result. She is worried that she doesn't have confidence to write an exam. The second sentence is she decided to postpone. So how we can write? She is worried that she doesn't have confidence to write an exam. As a result, she has decided to postpone it. Okay? So now we move to consequently. The size of the tumor is comparatively bigger than normal, and she has undergone some investigation. How we can write? The size of the cyst was comparatively bigger than normal. Consequently, she has undergone some multiple investigations. You got it? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have got a clear idea about the connectors that we can mainly use in OET letter writing. So once again, thank you so much, and please do support us.